5G's reinforcement, number 1, Darius Days. Coaching the Tropang 5G is City Pampanga, number 19, Justin Baltazar. And at center from Basod, Camarines Norte, number 15.
Kay TNT at saka si Jordan Heading na galing ko first, di ba?
Kakatapatan ngayong Governor's Cup as MJ Garcia gets the start. Parang gusto yata, mas mamasa siya. Ang ginawa nito ni Franklin to.
Pinasa ng pinasa.
5 beses lang tumira, 4 points.
Naalala ko yung game niyo, no? Hindi namin iba yan.
Of course, mamaya-maya, mas marami pa tayong kwento tungkol sa mga naaalala natin dyan. As Days launches a 3,
Yan talaga laro ni Days, no? Sa labas, eh.
he takes an average of 10 3-point attempts a game. Talking about itong import na itong TNT na si Darius Days.
Hindi siya pick and roll, eh. Pip and pop siya, eh. Yan ang gusto niya. But there was a game, he made a lot of 3-point shots in the first quarter. No?
Garcia
Oh,
backpedals for that one to score the first 2 points of this game.
it's a very important game for Converge because, you like to pick up 4 wins. Phoenix already has 4 wins on the other side. And of course, NLEX on their side, hindi pa natatalo. 4 na rin ang panalo niyan.
Bogoy for 3. TNT blanco pa rin.
Struggle naman sila sa umpisa yung 3-point shooting nila.
As a team, they are definitely struggling, shooting just 29% from that 3-point line.
Baltasar.
Ito, maganda tikada, Doc. 57% shooter yan. Pinasok niya ang kanyang unang bitaw.
Pero sa kanila pa rin yung offensive rebound. Sabay sa poste. Nice pass.
And Justin Arana will make it a 7-0 start para sa Converge.
Mabilis ang bulusok dito ng Converge. 2.5 minutes and they're up by 7. Wala pang puntos dito ang TNT Pro Pampanga.
Ang Batak trying to change that. He gets it over to Pugoy. Those 3 gunners on the floor together para kina Coach Chot. Talking about Pugoy ng Batak and heading. Jordan misses.
Puro 3-point shots yung attempt nila. Tatlo na yun.
Franklin at the other side. Stop and pop. 3. Good.
Want to make sure they get a big game from Darius Days, who was in early foul trouble in their loss to the Jeep. And speaking of imports, ito na nga si Jamal Franklin. He's just been here for 2 days, 1 practice with Converge, but his strength as a shooter is something they are eyeing to milk. Dagdag ni assistant coach Franco Atienza, at the end of the day, changing imports is a gamble, but it's a gamble they're willing to make. Gentlemen.
Maraming salamat, Ms. Bell. Well, so far, itong Converge is now shooting 5 of 7 from the field. 0 for 8 naman ang TNT. Another 3, this time from Mikey.
4 daw. So, anong score na? 16-0. Puro 3-point shots ang in-attempt ng TNT except that last drive by ng Batak. They have not been successful.
Heading, trying to get them on the board. Finally, para sa TNT.
Sa 3-point area. Pero sa drive niya, doon nagkaroon ng madaming puntos ito. Eh, sabi ni Williams na lang.
Frontline like that, you would expect Converge to pound it into Justin Arana na napakaganda so far ang nilalaro ngayong konferensya. Pero ginugulat nila, sa labas sila tumitira.
Kamusta? Another 4. Sabi ni Mikey, remember me?
Mikey Williams tearing it up this early. 5 minuto pa lang ang lumilipas. 17 na po ang abante ng Converge. Heading, diving in.
Siya lang.
Gobuntin at Heading nag-uusap all the way in the backcourt.
Si Brandon Cañelas Roser, another big.
Heading now has all 7 points para sa TNT. Now they're getting it off the penetration. Dagger States. Pupunta sa kanto. Kim Aurin. He shot well last time. They go to Pugoy. Roger Ray hanging in the air, and TNT is now starting to get into a rhythm.
Ba? Masyado rin ng TNT. Anong umpisa niya? 16-0, hindi ba? Ngayon, 20-9 na ito.
Umabot ng 23. 17 nun. So 6-0 run ng TNT. Off one leg. Franklin buries it.
3-point shot pa.
Nakakadalawa na from there, Doc.
Eh, ayos na import ka. Basta ang sabi mo, if he gets his mind to it, he's a good player. He's much better than Hudson for me, obviously.
Steal there by Franklin. Kakiskisan. Ito na po ang ating play of the half natin sa atin.
Lakas na switch ka agad nun, na hindi yung hapon pa sa... Oh, long 4-point shot ba ito?
That's gonna be good para kay Jordan Heading.
11 na, partner. 11 points already. So silang dalawa ni Mikey nagpapakita.
11 of the 13 points ng TNT. Galing
Good,
kay Jordan
good,
Heading.
good steal.
Steal by Kitevis. Kubuntin running with him. Nagantay na rest back. Babagsak ulit kay Glenn. Baseline jumper. No. Galinato keeps it with the tropang 5G.
That's what you have to do if you cannot rebound against the bigger guys. Ay, saksak ulit.
Jordan feeling it. Taken away by Garcia. Pasa sana yun.
Garcia, naka-offense ka agad ito. May defense pa yung pinakita niyo rin. Oops, may 4-point shot pa.
Aurin. Off the twirl. Couldn't get the bounce.
Oh.
Big putback by Galinato. And TNT is back in business, dog. At kwento na natin, Coms Cup na nakaraan, nanalo Converge 97-92. Pero back in the Philippine Cup, it was TNT with a 7-point win, 110-103. And all-time, dog. Mula nung pumasok ang Converge sa PBA as Baltasar launches a 3 and parries it.
Galing na doon sa 3-point shot niya sa left corner.
Pinabanggit natin, all-time record na itong dalawa.
Sa mga TNT.
Mula nung 2022 nung pumasok ang Converge, 12 beses na nagtatabandok. 7-5 in favor of TNT. So kahit na bago-bago ang Converge, palaban at palaban din. Ano?
Yeah, you can see there is a sense of urgency on the part of yung laro ng TNT. Because guys that couldn't contribute a lot are really contributing in this ball game. They're trying to contribute. And they're playing hard defense.
TNT with a stop. Here comes Lambata. We'll get it right back from Aurin. Kobontin will hand it right back off the Stingray. Lambata trying to slice through. Gets it over to the other side. Kitevis. Over to Galinato. Trying to stay patient. 6 on the shot clock. Lambata hits a 4.
Goal. Tigalawang 4-point shot na yung dalawang kupa nandito. No? So balik na. 26-21.
Nakakao pa. Kitevis is being chased. He misses. Kobontin on the trail job.
Yun ang pinaka-importante. Don't give up on your teammate. You know?
Down by as many as 17. Tatlo na lang to.
Yeah, don't expect na ang layup is going to go in. May pumalo, may marunong naman tumapos ito si Glenn Cabutin.
Franklin from the left wing. Got rid of Kitevis. Franklin buries the 3. 3 for 3 from deep. Ito si Jamal Franklin.
Ayan, ito, 9 na.
It's 3 for 3 from the 3-point line. Meron nga lang isang mintis mula sa 4. As Lambata.
Hindi ka matawagan ng bakit. Bigla eh.
Tungkab na dati ring taga-TNT. Pinasok na ngayon ni Coach Delta. 1 GDL attacking the defense of Aurin. No problem para kay Juan.
Kanyang pirouette na naiwan. No.
Aurin gusto bumawi sa kabila. Si Juan din ang kanyang katapat. Aurin, step back, 3-pointer. No go. Juan Gomez with a rebound and they can opt for the last shot to end this first frame.
Pero may fouls to give dito ang TNT if they elect to use it. And actually, they should use it.
Gomez Deliano gusto makipagsayaw na naman kay Aurin. Took him to the cup kanina. This time he drops it off. Baltasar with a finish.
The top local scorer. Pero ngayon with Williams at saka si Juan Gomez, lumakas ang backcourt nila.
Juan gives that one up though. Nung Clark Bubble, Rainershine versus SMB, kung nakaisang basket pa, sa kanila na sana yung league record, ano?
Sino ang katri? Hindi ba si 3-point play si
Si Heading up to 11 once again, 36-25. Converge really burning the nets dito sa loob ng Ninoy on this Tuesday night.
Medyo masyado silang masaya. 4-1 na ba sila? Oh, 4-1 na sila.
Top of the table as Days finally hits his 3. Sabi ko sa iyo, Doc, 10 3-point attempt per game ang pinupukol niya ni Daniel Days, or Darius Days rather, ang import ng TNT. He's only shooting 33% from there. He's 1 of 2 tonight. Itong Converge, wala pang mintis mula sa 3. Arana daw says, pati 2 meron din sila.
Puro ang dami inactivate.
One behind the back to get rid of Simon. That is a thing of beauty, though.
in their games, he gives you 16, 18 points, and they're very important. No?
He has been battling sciatica.
Pero kami,
Na-operahan na nitong nakarang off-season.
meron ba siya?
Na-operahan na, Doc. Kaya ngayon, back in action na siya. He missed a lot of time as well.
Yeah, he did.
Arana in trouble.
Good defense there by the Black Shirts.
Arana saying sa braso daw siya tinamaan. Heading from Halalon. No. Bogoy will get the rebound. Huli ni Baltasar yan. Heading for three. Napaganda pa para sa TNT.
3-point shot tuloy. Pero it's because of Pugoy.
Time to shoot for the guys in black.
Open.
Ferrer for three. Punches it through.
Pwede mo talagang gamitin dahil alam mo meron eh. Meron eh. From high school, college, all the way to the PBA.
Naalala ko yung isa pang wala sa TNT, Doc. Jason Castro. Injured din.
Pero yung matagal-tagal pa yan dahil yung injury niya, nung inabot niya, alam natin parang tuhod yun eh. Alam rin niya eh, nung linabas siya.
Hey, gets it back. Arana over to Policarpio. Junel misses.
That's another thing that he does well. Marunong rumibang to si Gio.
Gio stop and pop.
Oh!
16-footer is good. The TNT is back within one.
Yan naman si Kipikiri. Yung kilos ni Gio Alalo.
Garcia as heading hounding him. MJ to the left side. Drops it to the left. Mikey! No!
And Gio with another defensive board.
Gio Alalon making things happen. He gets it today.
Naibigyan rin sa ilalim.
Saktong-sakto, parang nilagay para kay Gio Alalon yan.
Another thing about a guy that's as small as him that can get defensive rebounds, they can push up the ball very quickly.
And this 13-0 run will give TNT their first taste of the lead.
Foul yun.
Franklin is clipped. He'll be at the line for a bonus shot. Yan ang ating GAC game-changing play. Brought to you by GAC.
Si Days nakatalikod. Biglang dumating yung isa, walang apa.
Heading, inaantay yung pick ni Ferrer. Heading, unleashes it. He is on fire, Dr. J.
20 points already in the ball game. Sandaling-sandali lang nakuha niya yung pick. Bumibitaw na eh, napaglagpas niya.
TNT back ahead, 44-43. Tatlot kalahati na titira sa ating second frame. Franklin inside, goes across. Garcia to Mikey, 4-ball.
Nako, tatlo na. Tatlo ng 4-point shot.
What a shootout. Mula dito sa nagpalit ng pwesto in their second meeting against each other since that big trade.
May one-on-one kaya tayo. Oh, ito, outside red.
1 of 6. The TNT gets the board.
Gio.
Halalon with his second basket today.
3 points pa.
Bigla tayo nagtabla, Doc, at 47.
Sumenyas pa sa atin. 3 points.
Mikey!
Look at this 4-point shot there by Mikey Williams.
Mikey and Jordan going at each other. Minutes per game. Heading on the move. Launches again. Mintis this time. Abueva kinalawit pa yung board.
And really pushing it up.
Abueva making the tropang 5G look like pylons.
Ibang klase yun, ha? From the backcourt all the way.
Itim naman yung suot, di orange siya. Ba't yung sumigzag ng ganun, Doc? Gio for 3. Punches it through.
51 all. Nakakadalawa ng 3-point shot ito si Gio Lalo.
9 points in total para dito kay Gio.
At tandaan mo, pumasok ito long one. Parang kitang-kita mo, pasok eh.
Juan Gomez Deliano will get the start here mula kay Coach Delta. Kasama niya si Alex Stockton, Justin Arana, Justin Baltasar. And etong si JD Tungkab will be the 5. Upo muna si Franklin, Doc, ha? Sa kabila naman, it is gonna be Ray Nambata, Paul Varilla, Jordan Heading, Darius Days, and Roger Ray Pugoy. So parehong coaches may adjustment to open the third.
Kasi Stockton na bumabantay dito kay Heading. Alam mo naman, madikit pag isa.
4-ball doesn't work para kay Stingray.
Baltasar being able to save that ball from going out.
Tungkab for 3. punches it through.
Ba't talaga 3-point shooting nitong ng Converge, ha?
Pang-walo na yan para sa Fiberxers.
Ito, open.
Subok ulit to.
Apat ito, 4. Wala.
He's 0 for 3 from there, but Varilla keeps it on that side. Pogoy swings. It is Nambata. Malamig ang simula.
Pati
Sa
si,
3-point line para sa TNT sa third.
pati si Tambata, mababa rin ang percentage.
Stockton to a sliding Baltazar. Inside to Arana, he's got 10 points.
Taking care of the ball was also greatly emphasized after 12 turnovers at gusto rin makita pa ni Coach Delta ang pagtakbo, more movement, more ball movement.
9-0 start in the third quarter. Kanina 16-0. Ngayon 9-0. May free throw pa coming.
May pwedeng things. Ayaw rin niya bigyan ng space si Jordan.
Nilag ulit sa kanya. Yan.
3 to shoot, he's got to take this.
Maliit yan. Finally! 2 points lamang.
Alren's got to get creative here. 3 to go. Kim, fade away. No! Above with the board. Napitawan nga lang ni Calvin. Pero yun yung binabanggit ni Miss Bell. Gusto ni Coach Delta, takbuhan pa nila ng takbuhan ng TNT. Nice drop-off. Halalong to Galinato.
Ngayon ang ina-expect ni Coach Joe. Kung malaki ka, when you're given the ball underneath the basket, make sense.
Gio. Through that Galinato pick. Arana picks him up. Gio should have the speed advantage. Pero yung haba ni Arana, nasundutan si Alalon sa kanilang franchise history mula nung pumasok ng 2022. So na Coach Delta wants this confidence to be it. It was Stingray has other things in mind.
6'1", close to 6'2". Tapos magaling naman drumibol. So pag dinatiin ka sa ilalim yan,
8 puntos ngayon para kay Stingray. On 3. Takes it away by Abueva. Auren dives for it. Stingray to Cobontin. Somehow nagawa ng paraan ni Glenn.
hirap na hirap makakuha ng puntos rito si Kabutin. Nagawa ka, like you say, was able to make that shot.
4 points in the game para kay Glenn.
6-point lead para sa Converge.
Mikey going to work. Inside to Calvin. But Jolens de Abueva is good.
Good pass there by Mikey. Mikey bilis maka-adapt sa mga kanyang kakampi.
Cobontin for 3. Short. Franklin para sa board. Garcia to Abueva. Mikey thought about swinging to the right. He goes back left. Baltasar down the middle. Will sweep it in.
Yeah. The game he has proven he can make some shots too. No?
Williams to Baltasar. Left alone. Justin buries the 3.
That guy has proven he can make offensive.
Grabing bawian ang ating natuto ngayon. These two teams will meet each other again as Baltasar throws it down.
15 points already. 13-point lead para sa Converge. Biggest was at 17, no?
October 18 ang susunod na pagkikita ng Converge at TNT. That's going to be the last assignment of the Elims para sa TNT. Ferrer answers back with a 3.
He has 2 3-point shot conversions in the ballgame.
That keeps TNT within 10 once again. 78-68.
No fouls to give here.
Abueva dives in. Layup is good. May pwede mag-last shot ng TNT.
Yeah, but they have to go. Because it's down to 10. I don't know if Gambata is aware of it.
I think he just realized it, Doc. Stingray to the cup. That'll count. And one pa para kay Nambata. And then natalo sa Titan at natalo pa sa Terray Firma. Namang problema sila. 1-2 so far ang record nila. Keith Teves cuts that deficit down to 7.
Santander import for a majority of the second quarter already.
Aurin inside. Goes across. Ferrer from deep. Punches it through.
Tapos Enlex yata, di ba?
They have San Miguel, Enlex, and Titan up next. Yung San Miguel sa Sabado po, August 1.
Coach Shot in their last huddle called Kim Aurin out saying, "We need you more than ever now because Jordan Heading will no longer be fielded in."
Previous conference na injury rin yan eh. So, ang dami na eh.
Aurin with a steal. First basket of the game para kay Kim. Pagpag lang to. Play of the game natin to atin sa atin ang Sports Plus.
Nakita mo yung lakad niya ng bata. Kala ko injured.
This confidence para sa Converge. He gets it back from Arana. Justin from one. Arana delivers. Converge is back ahead.
84-82. Lot of time left in this ball game.
Ngayon pa lang, nag-double digit si Justin Arana with 10. Arana, left alone, or Nambatak left alone. He makes a pay.
Take over talaga si Ray. Napansin niya, wala tayong masyadong player dito.
Pinapagpag pa rin niya ang kanyang kaliwang kamay do. Lamang ng isang TNT, 85-84.
So may yata dito.
The tropang 5G trying to gut this one out. Juan from deep.
Yes!
Punches it through! Grabe bumawi yung Gomez Caliano do. And Dave Dace will tap it over to Gio.
At least he fought for the rebound.
Gio to Henry Galinato.
Maganda rin ni Galinato because from the very first start when he made that shot,
Against Mikey Williams. Aurin drops it off. Galinato kicks.
Nice pass.
Dace for three. 1 for 9. Galinato with the board.
isa pa.
Halalon will reset. Dace again.
Sa dami mo tira, talaga mapapakasok rin.
Franklin being hounded here. Nahuli, pero he kept his nose in it. Jamal Franklin with a big hit. Converge is back ahead.
But still a long way to go. Both teams in the penalty.
18 puntos na para sa import ng Converge. Halalon trying to make it happen once again.
Ay,
Barilla. Bam!
that was his specialty when he was with UE. Yung panahon nila Suma, kasama niya. Yan ang kanyang tira eh, 3-point shooting.
Halalon now with a total of 6 assists this game. Sama mo ng 5 rebound at 7 puntos. Baltasar, di makabawi. They go back out to Mikey. Franklin!
Bang! May foul pa yata.
These teams
Playing well.
going toe-to-toe.
Yeah, playing well.
Nambata, 19 as we mentioned across his number. He's got Arana in front.
Oh,
Stingray crossover. Gets
And
wow! Make a son of a foul!
Ipatay na yan pag nasa labas.
Barbecue chicken.
And he got the N1. That's the important thing.
Franklin off the crossover. Couldn't pull the trigger. Arana on the slide. Sinali si Justin Baltazar. Two-pointer is good. Ibang abante ng Converge. Last 2 minutes at sa atin ng Sports Plus. Franklin, Quintanas took it away.
Foul si Franklin dun.
Mikey picks up Stingray. Nambata puts his head down. They go to Cobontin. No!
Another good
Galinato with the rebound. Put back. Huling ng timeout si Coach Delta Pineda para sa Converge. What a big cleanup job there. Mula kay Henry Galinato Jr. That Franklin planted at the right corner. Mikey inside. Scoop doesn't work. Galinato with a rebound.
Maganda yung switch kaagad dito ni Kabutin, ha? And he defended him all the way.
11 rebounds na para kay Galinato. Nambata. Through the Galinato pick. 9 to shoot. Stingray. Hindi maipagpag si Juan. Stingray will force it. Iniwan kay Henry. Masyadong malalim. Tumaba sa ring. Fresh 14.
No need to foul it.
Aurin. Got around Franklin. Here comes Stingray. Same with Converge. Franklin to tie it up. Good! Cobontin gets it over to Stingray. Here we go. Nambata, 3, 2,
Wala na iba
Stingray
titira.
for the win!
Wala na iba titira niya. Wala na iba titira niya.
Nambata at the buzzer!
Natitigan nila kung may oras pa. Pero wala na talaga iba titira niyan. Counting. 3 points. Yun, wala pang kulay. Naka 3 points siya.